Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. In Sanskrit, guna means rope. Whether you are tied with a gold chain, iron chain, or a jute rope, you are bound. How to be free? Yoga of three gunas. Chapter 14, Shloka 2. They who, having refuge in this knowledge, have attained to my being, are neither born at the time of creation nor are they disturbed at the time of dissolution.
Chapter 14, Shloka 2. Idam jnanam upashritya mama sadharmyam agataha sargepi na upajayante pralaye na vyatanti cha.
Chapter 14, Shloka 2. The Lord now proceeds to declare that this knowledge definitely leads to supreme perfection. Gunas bind us down to the lower plane of matter identifications and therefore to the ego sense. When once we get away from them and totally stop their play in our mental life, we get free from our limited sense of individuality and instantaneously we shall experience our absolute nature. This is a different plane of consciousness, like the sorrows of the dream, though very real to the dreamer while he dreams, cannot affect him the moment he wakes up. A seeker who has, through meditation, mastered his mind and transcended it, goes beyond the ordinary realms of consciousness. He rediscovers himself to be the omnipresent reality which knows neither creation nor dissolution in its absolute state. Creation is the trick of the mind. When we are no more experiencing through the mind and therefore not conditioned by it, we cannot have any experience of any creation. Like when anger overcomes my mind, I experience and behave as an angry mind. But when the anger has receded and my mind is calm, I no longer continue to behave as angry man. The trick of the mind consists in projecting a world of creation thought by thought, in feeling conditioned by one's own imaginations. On transcending the mind, we realize the self and its infinite nature, and therefore there is no creation, nor shall we feel ourselves as having been born to die or suffer the pangs of the finitude. Thus, the knowledge of the gunas is helpful to everyone trying to master his own mind and reach the freedom from all agitations and imperfections. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, Join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.